In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with ClickUp. This process is a great way to ensure that all your tasks and events are seamlessly organized in one place, helping you to manage your time more efficiently. Let's get started without delay and dive into the integration process. First, you'll need to open ClickUp on your computer. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you want to select Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate and select the Integrations option. Clicking on this will open a new panel where you can manage various integrations available to you in ClickUp. Next, look for Google Calendar in the list of integrations available to you. Once you've found it, click on Google Calendar. A prompt will appear asking you to connect account. When you click this button, you will be asked to sign in with your Google account. Make sure to use the account associated with the calendar you want to sync. It's important to grant the necessary permissions to allow ClickUp access to your Google Calendar. By doing this, you'll enable the seamless transfer of information between the two platforms. Now that you're signed in, it's time to choose which ClickUp spaces or lists you want to sync with Google Calendar. This step is crucial in ensuring that the right tasks are displayed on your calendar. Think about the areas or projects you frequently work on and would benefit from seeing scheduled alongside your other daily tasks. Here, you will also have an option to pick the synchronization direction. You can opt for a one-way sync where information flows from ClickUp to your Google Calendar, or choose a two-way sync allowing both platforms to share changes mutually. After selecting your spaces or lists and setting the sync direction, it's finally time to click on Save and Sync. With this action, your tasks from ClickUp will now reflect in your Google Calendar. This creates a unified view of your schedule, offering a clear perspective of what your day, week, or month looks like. Remember, keeping these platforms synced means better time management and reducing the chances of missing important tasks or events. This integration not only saves time, but also enhances your productivity by centralizing your schedule. If you ever need to adjust your settings or change which spaces are synced, you can return to the integration settings in ClickUp and modify as needed. And there you have it. You're now all set with your newly synced ClickUp and Google Calendar. Keep checking both platforms to ensure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes managing your tasks a more effortless experience.